कैलेडन डफरन तो लिबरल उम्मीदवार लीसा पोस्ट मीडिया नाल रूबरू होए। इस समय उन्होंने गल करदियां कहा कि वो पहली बारी फैडरल चोण लड़ रहे हैं अते उन्हां नूं इस गल की खुशी है कि वह लिबरल पार्टी की उम्मीदवार है। उन्होंने लिबरल पार्टी के फ्यूचर प्लान बारे जानना पाया अते लोकां नूं अपील की कि वह लिबरल का साथ देण।
Well, it's been a fast and furious 36 days. We've been knocking on a lot of doors and trying to get around Dufferin Caledon, making sure that we can talk to as many people as we can. I'm passionate about this community. I've lived here most of my life. I was born in Orangeville, and I'm currently a town councillor in Orangeville. Becoming your member of parliament will allow me the opportunity to represent all of your voices in Ottawa and make sure that we have everything that we need as a community to move forward and thrive. It's really important that as we're one of the fastest growing ridings in Ontario, that we have the federal infrastructure dollars and everything, all the supports that we need for our community members and our communities to grow responsibly. This is my first time running federally. I have run 2 municipal elections. I chose the Liberal Party because they're the party that puts people first. They align with my values, they align with my ethical beliefs, and I believe that we can have a strong, responsible government when we put people first. Yeah, we've definitely heard that at the door. I can understand that feeling. We have gone through a really tough 18 months, but on the flip side of that, one of the great things about being part of Canada is that we're part of a great democracy. And when we get to an integral point where we need to make decisions and move forward, it's really important that Canadians have their voices heard. We're seeing 2 very different parties between the Conservatives and the Liberals. They want to take Canada in 2 very different directions, and it's now up to Canada to choose how they want to move forward. Well, I can guarantee that when we move forward together, your voices will be heard in Ottawa. Caledon and Dufferin are 2 very, very important parts of Ontario, and it's really important with our diverse voices that we have that everybody's voice gets heard. Well, Caledon is growing fast. Caledon, according to the province, is forecasted to grow from 70,000 people to almost 300,000 people over the next 10 or 15 years. And with that kind of growth, we need to make sure it's sustainable and responsible. And the best way that we can do that is have a strong voice in Ottawa who understands the diverse and complicated needs of this riding and who can address them. And that's exactly who I am. I put community first and I put our people first. The response at the door has been great. We've heard some really positive comments about the current Liberal government and their response to COVID. We've heard some frustrations about affordability and rural broadband. We've had lots of great and lots of tough conversations at the door. But mostly people just want to be heard, and that's what I'm ready to do, is take their voices to Ottawa.
ब्रैम्पटन सेंटर तो लिबरल उम्मीदवार शफकत अली अते ब्रैम्पटन नॉर्थ तो लिबरल उम्मीदवार रूबी सहोता मीडिया के रूबरू होए अते उन्हां पार्टी दीयां प्राप्तियां बारे चानना पाया। उन्हां कहा कि सिर्फ लिबरल पार्टी ही है जो आम लोकां दीयां मुश्किलां नूं समझदी है। करोना काल दौरान सरकार ने सारे वर्ग के लोकां लई काम कीता, जिस दी पूरी दुनिया विच तारीफ कीती गई है।
मैं लिबरल पार्टी ਦੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਾਂ ਲਿਬਰਲ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਈ ਬਿਕੇਮ ਅ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ। ਆਈ ਬੀਨ ਇਨ ਦ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਥਰੂ ਆਊਟ ਦਿਸ ਜਰਨੀ। ਤੇ ਲਿਬਰਲ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਸਿਸਟਮੈਟਿਕ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਿਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਲਿਆ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਿਨੋਰਟੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਇਸਲਾਮੋਫੋਬੀਆ ਜ਼ੀਨੋਫੋਬੀਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਆਮ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਚੁੱਕੀ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਨਾਖਤ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਫਕਤ ਅਲੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਬਣਿਆ? ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ I participated in a liberal party. ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇਹਨੇ ਸੈਲਫ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨੇ ਇਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਹਨੇ ਅਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਲੈਵਲ 'ਤੇ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਰਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਖੋਲ੍ਹੇ ਇਮੀਗ੍ਰੈਂਟਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਚਾਰਟਰ ਆਫ ਰਾਈਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਦੀ ਕਲਾਸੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਖਤਮ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਕਲਾਸ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ਨ। ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਸਟਨ ਟਰੂਡੋ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਹਰਪਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਪੋਜ਼ ਹੈ ਸੀ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਕਿ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਸਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਖਤਮ ਕੀਤਾ।
ਪਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਵਕਤ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਬਣਦਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਨਰਲ ਅਫੋਰਡੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰਨਾ। ਓਵਰ 1 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਜੌਬਸ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ 1 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਮੋਰ। ਸੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਫੋਕਸ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਇਕੋਨਮੀ ਜੌਬ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ $10 a day ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਕੇਅਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਫਿੱਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ that people can go back to work, have good supports for their children.
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਚੋਣ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ VOTING ਦਾ ਆਖਰੀ ਦਿਨ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਚੋਣ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਦੀ ਸਪੋਕਸਪਰਸਨ ਡੀਐਨਏ ਬੈਸਨ ਨੇ ਮੌਜੂਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਉੱਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਦੇ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਵਿੱਚ VOTING ਕਰਵਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
Well, we don't predict turnout because it's really up to voters. That's their choice. Our role is to make sure that they have the information they need about where and when to vote and to bring the right ID and to do all that. But the turnout is up to voters. It's an individual choice. For sure, it is because of COVID protocols. And so a lot of the places, especially in downtown urban core areas where we might have been able to set up a poll like in an apartment building, in a condo, and all of the people in there could vote there, we can't do that this time around because it won't meet COVID protocols. So it's often been that the returning officers in that riding have had to find a place that is bigger, that allows that physical distancing. So those electors might have to go a little bit farther, and we recognize that. But once they get there, what we've tried to do is make sure there are more voting stations so that they can be processed quickly. What we are trying to do when we do hear from voters or when we talk, about what to be ready for on election day is that one of the first things that you should do is make sure you know where you're going to vote. Because just what we're talking about, those locations may have changed. People have this sense that they'll go to the familiar place, the local school, the local community center, and those places might not have been available to us to lease this time around, to make a polling location. So one of the things we really are emphasizing to people is before you go, if you got that voter information card, have a look at that. If you can't find the card, because that happens too, just type your postal code in on the website and it will say, here is where you are to vote. So we do, want electors to be aware that maybe they just need to check a few things before they go so they don't get frustrated when they go to the polling station.
ਐਂਟੀ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਗਰੁੱਪਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਨੋਵਾ ਸਕੋਚੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਕਟਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਜਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਖੇਧੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਬਦਲਣ ਦੀ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਆਮ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਮਾਮਲੇ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਪੱਖ ਰੱਖਿਆ।
There isn't language harsh enough to condemn these actions. Dr. Strang has worked tirelessly for the last 19 months keeping Nova Scotians safe, even those of you who choose not to protect others through vaccination. His home, our hospitals, are not the place for political protest. You're more than welcome in front of the legislature or in front of my office, but I would encourage you all to grow up and think of others.
Once you stumble across kind of a cluster, especially in that kind of a closed community, you're going to be seeing kind of the close contacts of existing cases testing positive days or weeks later. Please do go get vaccinated. It really does make these major outbreaks that you're seeing in places like Alberta and Saskatchewan way less likely to happen and way less severe when they do happen. So if you're tired of the pandemic, get vaccinated against the pandemic virus.
Phase 5 will be delayed until October 4th. I know this is disappointing for many people.
The change of date is really to allow people a little bit more time to adapt to phase 5 and the vaccination policy that's in place.
So today all these people are coming out because they really don't want to see a vaccine passport. The vaccine passport totally divides our people into two different classes. So you have vaccinated and unvaccinated. And then it says that the unvaccinated people are like the demons of the society and that because of them, everybody's going to die. And unvaccinated people can't go to restaurants or gyms. And it's just blowing my mind. I'm like, where do we...
ਫੈਡਰਲ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਦਿਨ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪਾਰਟੀਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਚੋਣ ਪ੍ਰਚਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਜਸਟਿਨ ਟਰੂਡੋ, ਐਰੀਨ ਓਟੂਲ ਤੇ NDP ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜਗਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਟ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰਚਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਪਾਲਿਸੀਆਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣ ਦੀ ਆਖਰੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ। ਪਰ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਅਹਿਮ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਰਹੀ ਕਿ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਲੀਡਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਖੂਬ ਭੰਡਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਸਨ।
We're seeing right now what the wrong choices made in Alberta and Saskatchewan have led to. We do not need a Conservative government that won't be able to show the leadership on vaccinations and on science that we need to end this. Folks in Alberta have a really important choice to make, whether they want Erin O'Toole to continue working with Jason Kenney on not ending this pandemic. If you're a leader, you should be able to have the people who work with you follow you. And yet Erin O'Toole can't do that. He can't even make his own candidates choose to get vaccinated. People say, no, I should vote Liberal to stop the Conservatives, but I want to vote for the most progressive ambition at the same time. Well, guess what you can tell them? In this election, both of those options are the same party, the Liberal Party of Canada.
Do get talked about vaccines a fair bit at the door, both people that want mandates and people that don't. So, as I said, I personally believe in vaccination.
I don't know all the candidates in the Conservative Party of Canada. I don't know all the ones in the Liberals or the NDP or the Green Party. I'm not sure who's vaccinated or who is not. I think they all should be.
We will build domestic capacity in vaccines, in medical equipment. We will rely on ourselves, and we will never again be unprepared for a crisis.
If you vote, you get what you want. If you want these things that we're talking about, if you believe in fighting the climate crisis, if you believe in fighting the housing crisis, you can't go with Mr. Trudeau, who's all for show. In the past 6 years, Mr. Trudeau was in government. And so our critique is going to be about government decisions, naturally. And Mr. Trudeau was in power for those 6 years, so we want people to know these are the decisions that he made, and this is what we think is wrong with those decisions.
Say you don't grow more seats, or it's very minimal. Do you think you will have failed your party?
No, we're confident that we're going to do well in this campaign.